कितें आहा जाणा तूं फ्रॉम 2014 ऑनवर्ड्स हांगा जायते इलिगल एक्टिविटी चलता लायक कटिंग ऑफ ट्रीज पुटिंग अप स्ट्रक्चर्स हांव तुमकां क्रोनॉलॉजी सांगता स्टार्टींग केन्ना चलता पळय तें सगळें सो ऑफेन्स वॉज रेजिस्टर्ड इन सर्वे नंबर 291 दॅट इज द कॉर्नर सान 291 स्टार्ट जाता ओके दीस कूड ऑल्सो बी 291 okay or Sukur village for felling of 53 trees in demarcated private forest okay and for setting up illegal structures 7 illegal structures घाले थंयसर आनी सो ही आतां कंप्लेन जाली 0407/2014 आनी हातून ते काम करताना न्ही ताणें लोकल्सांक आमच्या थ्रेटन केले आनी आमी FIR घाली तांचेर ओके FIR घाल्ली आय गॉट दॅट FIR कॉपी म्हजे कडेन बरें petition was filed in NGT by villages of Sukur Maina on survey number 291 for putting up illegal structures and cutting of trees in the application number 74 of 2015. So the judgment came on 29/09/2016 for demolishing of the structures. Okay. Now in this is very interesting what the village Panchayat of Sukur is doing. Resolution was taken by village Panchayat of Sukur to tar this road down. They wanted to make it as a road. When in the from the this is 307, this is 291. Okay, I don't know from where. It was 350 meters or something. Okay, this was resolution was taken on 9/11/2015. Okay, there was objection filed based on the resolution taken by village Panchayat of Sukur on 04/01/2016. So the Panchayat took a resolution to squash off the earlier resolution taken that was on 9/11/2015. So on the 15/01/2016 they took a resolution to not to consider this tarring of road. So now this below this the subdivision number 10, this is 30710. So in this felling of trees was done 36 trees which is demarcated private forest.
The panchayat cannot absolve itself saying that we will only transfer to police. No, this is a survey under them. The panchayat has to give permissions for any changes. The department has to do work, but the panchayat has to give approval. So they have to take action now also to find out which is the survey number, what is the status, has it been changed. And this is not just one plot, there are many other plots. The panchayat can talk to communities and find out where this is happening so that the people are supported by the panchayat whom they elected. How can John and others one by one come? They have to leave everything aside. But the panchayat is elected to do this job. We will support them. But it's panchayat's responsibility and they have to move forward rather than shirking and sending police bolega, forest department bolega, मामलतदार लेगा. नो पंचायत क्या कर रहे बोलो पंचायत एक्शन लो.
सो आम्ही हेजेर आता एक्शन घेता आणि मिटिंगेक घालून आम्ही इन्स्पेक्शन करता पुलिसांकू हे करून आम्ही इन्स्पेक्शन करूया मागीर
इन्स्पेक्शन आमी ते प्लेस करतले पंचायत मिटिंगे आनी तेजे कितें डिसिजन आसा आमी धाडटले कोणाक धाडून ताणें सांगलां न्ही आतां ही क्लियरली मेन्शन इट न्ही की आमी पुलिशेक धाडटले आनी खंय
तुमच्या
आनी हे जे आसा पळय हे लँडलॉर्डूच वांगडा हांवें सगळ्यो जागात तेंच्यो म्हज्या हांगा तो पळय तो रावला तो ते फुडल्यो काजी तेच्यो हे आनी कोणाच्यो हे सगळे भाटकाल लोक and this is the road for that property आदलो तो आतांचो नवो रोड न्ही हो पयलीं पासूनच आहा हो रोड सारको वयर गेला मागीर तो बसताड्या गेला मागीर तो वयर कोणेर गेला आनी मागीर हेवटेनच्यान तो दसवाडो गेला
ओके पयलीं पासून रोड आहा
पयलीं पासून रोड हे वताना सगळे गाडयो व्हरना काजू हाडिना सगळे गाडयो व्हरता काजू हाडटा पिकअप हाडटा ती प्लांटेशन करता सगळे तेच करता
ओके सो
भाटकारांनी हे तेंच्या बत्ते खंय रावता पळय हांगाच रावतात नियर बाय हांगर कितें चल्लां वयता आतां तेंच्या भाटान ते कितें करता म्हाका कशें कळटलें पूण जेन्ना म्हजे नदरे घाल्ले तेन्ना आमी इमिजिएट एक्शन घेतली न्ही काडली न्ही नोटीस
ओके आतां हेजेर एक्शन जातली कोण हें केलें
कितें आहा तें तेंच्यांनी आतां सांगलां तशें आमी करतले की आमचे बाबा थंय अशी अशी मिटींग पुलिशेक धाडून पुलिशेक धाडटले आनी तें एक्शन आनी कितें आमचो रोल आतां आमी करतले
See, as you saw that they have widened the road. It's a by what? It's a Comunidad road, which was used for bullock carts earlier in the past. So there are compound walls on either side of rubble stone, Lobaranso Durg. What they have done on one side, left side, they have removed all those rubble stones for widening. So they have put a danger to people's properties. लोकांची बाटा आहा थी. What will happen in the monsoons? There's going to be a landslide. There is no protective compound walls now of the people on the left side, as you saw. Next monsoon, all that mud is going to come onto the road, and we are going to have landslide.